Your competitor just dropped a video ad that looks like it cost $10,000. It cost them less than 200. And if you don't understand what's happening right now, you're about to get left behind. Here's the reality. The barrier to professional video advertising has been completely demolished. AI tools can now generate polished, brand-specific video ads, custom visuals, scripted voiceovers, motion graphics in hours, not weeks, and at a fraction of what traditional production costs. This isn't some future prediction. This is what's working right now for small businesses that are paying attention. But most business owners still think they need a film crew and a five-figure budget. They don't. And that gap between what they think and what's true, that's where the opportunity lives. Let me show you what's actually possible. A short-form video ad, 15 to 60 seconds, is the dominant content format on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok right now. Video drives more engagement than static images or text on every single major platform. And with AI, you can test 5 completely different ad angles in the time it used to take to produce one. 5 angles, 5 hooks, 5 different offers, all running simultaneously. That's not an advantage. That's a cheat code. Now, some of you are thinking, okay, but does AI video actually look good? Or does it look like a robot made it in 2019? Fair question. Early AI content had that cheap, obviously generated look. That era is done. Today's tools produce content that is polished, brand consistent, and visually compelling when guided by the right strategy. The key phrase there is guided by the right strategy, because AI without direction is just noise. AI with a clear message and a human creative eye behind it, that's a weapon. Let me give you a real-world example. Imagine a local service business, plumber, landscaper, HVAC, doesn't matter. They've been running static image ads on Facebook. Decent results, nothing special. They switched to AI-generated video ads, same budget, but now their ads have motion, scripted messaging that speaks directly to their customer's pain point, and a call to action that actually moves people. Within 30 days, their cost per lead drops. Their click-through rate doubles. Same spend, completely different outcome. That's not magic. That's just understanding the format the algorithm rewards. And here's what separates a real AI video strategy from someone just playing with tools. 4 things. 1, custom brand assets. Your colors, your fonts, your logo, your tone in every frame. 2, strategic scripting. The message is built around your customer's specific pain points, not generic fluff. 3, platform-specific formatting. A Facebook ad and a TikTok ad are not the same video. 4, human review. AI generates the draft. An experienced strategist shapes the final product. Skip any of those 4, and your AI video is just content. Nail all 4, and it's a conversion machine. This is why I love what's happening right now for small business owners. The playing field hasn't just been leveled, it's been flipped. You don't need a massive budget. You need clarity, strategy, and the willingness to move. Proverbs 21:5 in the Amplified Bible says, "The plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance and advantage, but everyone who acts in haste comes surely to poverty." That's the principle. This isn't about chasing trends. It's about being diligent and strategic with the tools God has put in front of you right now. So here's the question you need to answer today. Are you going to keep running the same static ads, hoping for different results? Or are you going to use the tools that are available right now to show up like the professional, trustworthy business you actually are? Because your customers are scrolling fast. And video, strategic, well-crafted, AI-powered video, is the thing that stops the scroll and starts the conversation. Look, we just broke down exactly how AI video ads work, why they outperform traditional content, and what separates strategy from noise. If you want a team that builds AI-powered video ads with real strategy behind every frame, go to crownmediagroup.co. Book a free strategy session. Let's build something that actually converts.